Okay, I'm going to make a quick tutorial of how I created this image. First, I'm going to show you the key parts of the image. I'm going to show you what I did in Lightroom and in Photoshop to create this image. These are going to be quick tutorials, real basic and fast, so I know everyone doesn't want to watch a 20-minute video, so hopefully I can get it really short and get you the information you need. Okay, first I have 3 images, actually 4. I'll show you in a second. These are the first 3, which is of the landscape, and then I actually added this photo of the sky that I took at the end. And first, let's take these into Photoshop and merge these together. So let's go Photo, Edit, Panorama. I'm gonna skim through this whole loading process so this video is much shorter. Just press OK and let it do its thing. Okay, so the process of this is done. So now I'm going to quickly let's go image so I can work with this, merge layers, and then I'm going to make a duplicate because you always want a duplicate background. And then I'm going to quickly click your magic wand. I'm going to roughly do this. It's not going to be perfect, but it's for making this video fast. Let's see, fill, content order, and anything that's slow in this video I'm going to speed up. So if it takes forever to do this, I'm going to speed it up. Okay, great. So Magic Wand did actually a pretty incredible job this time. So awesome. So let's move on to the next part. Now I will grab the, let's see, let's go back to Lightroom. And nope, not the right one. Let's grab the sky and photo, edit, and let's put it into Photoshop. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is select all. I'm going to copy it and let's add it to here. First, let's downsize this image, make it more workable. Let's do 10. Press OK. I don't care about that. Let's go. Try to make this video quick. Okay, after downsize it to make it more workable, because I want to make sure this sky is not too small for this, because it'll get really pixelated and it doesn't look good. Because I do prints and try to get the most detail as I can. So let's take a, let's see, quick selection. Ain't big enough, so I'm actually doing something. Ooh, that's wrong. Let's go back. Have to be on the right layer. It's always important. Okay, and let's go to select refine edge, smart, feather, a pixel. Let's try that. Okay, and then delete. Now we're going to take this photo of the sky. Let's zoom out a little bit. Deselect. And we want to make sure we're on this, clicked on this layer. We take it, we transform, because we want to always make sure the perspective is correct. And for this one, I know I didn't shoot at the same angle as I did with this, because this is 370 to 200 images and this is a 24 to 70 at 24 at a different angle. So if you shoot directly upwards and horizontal with the skyline, it's going to give a different perspective. So you always want to make sure you're given a good perspective. So always go in here in the perspective and change it so it looks as correct as possible. And again, I'm just doing this quick so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Okay, now I got that where I wanted. Now I'm going to go into color balance real quick. So already this is looking like a really interesting photo. So let's just do the more detailed stuff, like getting the contrast correct, and then the hue and saturation, or the color balance, I mean, sorry. Let's see, let's go to hue and saturation. Make sure you clip it to that layer so we can work on this as with specific details. Let's see, saturation, and let's just work on the sky with contrast because that's easier to get one to look like the other. I want to do, okay, yeah, sure, levels. It has really big darks, so let's get these darks to match. And then let's unclick this. Let's see how it looks. Let's see. Let's create a bring down the exposure some. And desaturate it a little bit. Because we want to look as realistic as possible. And then now let's go to color balance. Well, actually, we don't need it for that one. We won't do color balance on the landscape because it's much easier. So add a lot of magenta. Can add a little bit of red. And a little bit of warmth, yellow. So already it's looking much more balanced. And the final thing that's important is with any sky in the distance, it gets more lighter in color. It doesn't get darker. So what I'm going to do here is go to my layers, go to my gradients. Okay, don't care. And let's see, we want to take this and we want to, let's see, and to do that, let's just take this and drag it up. And one more time. And I'm using the gradient, and I'm using the white on this side and the, what's it called, invisible, I guess you could say, with this checkerboard. And I'm taking it from the bottom and dragging it up, and that's all it takes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you like this quick video tutorial, how I do these dramatic landscapes, and see you later. All right.